In this video, I will explain how to solve a Bertrand oligopoly problem in which two firms produce identical goods. So let's consider the following example. Consider a Bertrand oligopoly market in which two firms produce identical goods. The inverse market demand for this good is given by P, the market price, is equal to 30 minus Q, the market quantity. Assume that both firms have a marginal cost of $3. Find the market price and the market quantity for this good. So in a Bertrand oligopoly, two firms will choose their prices simultaneously. And in this particular case, we're told that the two firms produce identical goods. So because they produce identical goods, what that means is that consumers will be indifferent to which firm they actually buy from. And in fact, they will only want to buy from the firm that has the lowest price for the goods, since they're considered identical goods. So because the consumers will buy from the firm with the lowest price, what that means is that if one firm has a lower price than the other firm, then they can capture the entire market. So both firms will be incentivized to undercut the other firm in terms of price. And what will happen is that both firms will continue to reduce their price until it is exactly equal to the marginal cost of $3. But the price will not go below $3 because then the firms would be losing money. So for example, if they charged, let's say, $2.99, for each sale they would be losing 1 cent. So the price that they charge will not drop below the marginal cost. So in this scenario, the price is going to be equal to the marginal cost. So in this case, we're told that the marginal cost is $3, so the price will be $3 for this good. That is the price that these two firms will arrive at in this scenario in which they produce identical goods. So that is the market price. We can also find the market quantity by simply plugging in a 3 into this inverse market demand equation right here. So we'll have 3 is equal to 30 minus Q. If we add a Q to both sides and subtract a 3 from both sides, we'll find that Q is equal to 27. So the total market quantity produced of this good will be 27 units. So that's how you can solve a Bertrand oligopoly market problem in which two firms produce identical goods. So it's pretty straightforward. Now, if the two firms produced differentiated goods, then we would have to perform a few more calculations to actually solve for the market price and market quantity. And I'll link to another video that I have on how to solve that type of problem in which the two firms produce differentiated goods.